a place where you can run free.
Yeah guys, from when I reach us up, you know say I'm by accident.
So watch the video.
Max the length. Yeah, so I don't know what going on, and we don't tell them to go over King and Ali already and subscribe, and they don't know how we do things already.
Yeah guys.
EPIC Epic. If you're a drinker, get a special. If a movie style, popcorn, caramel style, and you don't know the shape, so catch you now. Take in the intro, guys.
We're so forward.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
So forward.
Welcome back guys. So from you see by the title, you guys know what we'll be doing today, and that's a Popeye's chicken. Yes guys, we realized that you guys love the KFC chicken, so we're back with Popeyes. So these are the ingredients, and we have our seasoned butter, and that is a little bit of flour, salt and pepper with a little bit of that egg powder. We have our salt and pepper and our plain flour, and the star of the show, or leg and thigh. Yes guys, so first and foremost we're gonna season this, and we season from high so it's evenly spread, and we're gonna do this lightly on both sides, right? Turn him over, repeat, feel me. Yes guys, we appreciate the love from you guys, and you can just, you know, rub it up, get it all in there.
Talk to me.
Yes guys, so we're just gonna put this here so you guys can see properly. Add that chicken drama.
Look at that guys.
Yes guys,
Look at that.
tell us what you guys
We're done
think.
showing the kernel recipe, now we are showing the Popeyes recipe. The bona fide fried chicken.
Yes guys,
Popeyes style. Take it in. Telling about the girl there now. Think she normal? Chef Alexander. Bang, bang, boom.
yes guys, see my turn.
Look at that. Look at that.
And we're only gonna do this once guys, know what I mean? Just move this out of the way. All right, yes guys, so watch the quick flick, right? Drain the excess butter guys, drain the excess. All right, chop it in that flour. And with the next into the flour just the same.
Take it in.
Yes,
This I got
guys.
epic guys.
Epic.
This I got epic.
See how I love the KFC? You guys will love this just the same. And feel free to try the recipe guys.
Yes, just like how see she do it. Same way, nothing no change.
Nothing guys.
And if you know the recipe for the butter, just link up on the Instagram. We shall be receiving it.
Yes guys.
You know the shapes. If you don't know the shapes,
You know the thing go?
so we'll have Pepsi
Yes guys.
or whichever flavor drink you like.
Alright guys, so you don't know, we are going to just shake off the excess, and we are catching it back when we are drop this in the oil. We're so forward.
Soon forward.
Yes guys. Yes guys. So we have our oil eating up, so we're just gonna add that chicken. And first we're gonna go with that thigh. And remember guys, lay away skin side down first, that drummer. Yes guys, and we're going to fry this for 5 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. So we're soon forward, we are catching it back when we are give this a check, right? Soon come. Yes guys, so we're back again. You don't know, time for that turn. We're gonna turn the thigh first. Look at that guys, you see what one?
What a beauty.
Bro,
Sure,
time to
no,
turn
man.
that leg. Woo, yes.
Sure no man.
Bro, yes guys.
Look
So,
on that. Take it in.
woo! Yes guys, beautiful. So we're gonna just make this finish cook down now. So soon come back again.
Soon forward.
Soon forward. Yes guys, so it's that time again. It's removal time guys. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Yes, guys, just drain the excess oil on a paper towel, or if you have a
For
wrap.
the meat lover them there. Popeye's lover them there.
Aye, start no man. Yes, guys. Ready, we ready, you know, guys. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up
the comment section.
Yes, guys. So we're so forward. Come on.
So forward.
Yes, guys. So look at that. Look at that. Look on the crunch. Give you know what? Make on the ear what go on. You not hear that? Hey, you not talk about crunch, guys. This is what we are talking about. You see me?
Crispy. When you bite it, you go.
ASMR. Yes.
Talk to me.
Yes, guys.
Tell me. If you love this chicken, subscribe to Chef Reid and Chef Alexander. Bang, bang, boom.
Yes, guys. So on to the plating station.
Alright, so forward.
Yes, guys. So from a city plate, you don't know what time it is. So start drop the banger comments them. Ready, me ready. Look at that, man. Watch crunch. Yes, guys. Let me hear you in the comment section. Oh, stay. Oh, stay, guys.
This pretty one more time.
Sure. Talk about crunch now. Look at that, guys. Guys, you don't know, so this would be complete without
the garnish.
The garnish. So I'm gonna put one right there, so.
See that right there? So see there, show you.
Yes, guys.
Plate sell off already, though.
Catch him round the saw. Aye, see him there? Yes, guys.
Alright.
And one round the saw.
Yeah, give me a rotate the bad chef.
Yes, guys. Look at that, man. We have the Colonel secret and we have the
Popeye secret. The
yes.
bun fried chicken. Yeah, I eat this.
Yes, guys.
Them call this. You know what them call this? On a regular, them call it a Popeyes.
What them call it?
Mild.
Yes, guys. So this is the mild. Remember to follow us on our socials. Picture will be posted over there. Yes, guys. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.